Hello everybody, I'm Bryan from Orchids by Bryan, and today I have a super exciting video to share with you all. I just received a package from Sunset Valley Orchids of their brand new 2025 hybrids. I cannot wait to open this package. This was totally curated by the folks at Sunset Valley Orchids, so I have absolutely no idea what's gonna be inside this box, but I am so excited. I've bought so many plants from Sunset Valley Orchids. They have amazing Cattleya hybrids. So if you're looking to grow Cattleyas, especially compact hybrids, these guys are the place for you to shop. They have amazing stuff. So with that, let's unbox some of the brand new 2025 hybrids. I'm gonna try to get this open. It is literally just like Christmas. I feel like it's Christmas in February. All right, let's see what we have in here. Take out some of these heating pads. Like I said, I have no idea what to expect, if they're going to be in bloom or bud. I have no idea. I just can't wait. Okay, here they are. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I can't wait. Very good packaging, so if you're worried about your plants when they come in, okay, here we go. Feels like there are 2 plants right here. Ah, nice. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Wow. These are awesome. Put this down here. Wow, and this one's in bud. Let's see what this one is. This is SLC Jillian Lee SVO by SLC Cosmic Delight SVO. And Cosmic Delight is an HCC award-winning orchid, and this is beautiful. Wow, check this out. A wonderful compact orchid, really pretty. Oh my gosh, like absolutely not a single blemish on the leaves. This is amazing. And right here we have an LC Trudy Marsh, Laelia synchorana Cerulean by Cattleya violacea Cerulean. So this looks like it's going to be a Cerulean hybrid. Wow, this is super nice. Check that out. And I'm not going to take them out of the wrapper, but I'm going to show you some videos of the plants later on. I am so excited. Wow, LC Trudy Marsh. Okay, so let's keep digging and take a couple of these pieces of paper out and show you some more plants. My gosh, wow, oh my god, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. These plants are gorgeous. Now what is this guy? Wow, DIAL Snowflake H&R by Cattleya Kayaguchi. Cattleya Kayaguchi is a really phenomenal plant. Cattleya Kayaguchi, I do have some of the Cattleya Kayaguchi hybrids that they created in 2024, and they are gorgeous. I mean, the flowers have these flares and they're very floriferous, so you tend to get quite a few flowers. Very excited to see what that one looks like. This is BLC Zool, BLC Orange Nugget, Kadaoka, HCC AOS by Cattleya Skinneri, Angela. Interesting, a Skinneri hybrid. Look at these plants. I hope you can appreciate these plants. I mean, look at this pseudobulb, plump, just super healthy plants, brand new growth that will hopefully produce some flowers, and we'll see that in a little while. Hopefully you can appreciate this plant. How pretty is that? Again, Sunset Valley Orchids, you can go and purchase these very plants that you're seeing on this video here today, right now, through Sunset Valley Orchids. Wow, oh my gosh. All right, let's see what else we have here. Okay, this one has some, like, super confetti. I wonder if we have a bloom. Let's see, perhaps, let's see. Oh, we have a bud. Wow, nice. Oh my gosh, look at this. Move these pieces of paper over a little bit. I still have more to show. Check that plant out. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at the two buds. Really, really nice. I can't wait to show that flower. Check that out. That is so pretty. This one definitely has Brassavola in it. This is B.L. Richard Muller, 4N by BC Gulf Shore Beauty, Green Dean, HCC AOS. Like I said, the quality of the compact Cattleyas and hybrids that you can get from Sunset Valley Orchids is truly unmatched. Every year, Sunset Valley Orchids releases brand new hybrids, and they honestly get better and better every single year. I cannot wait to see every single one of these flowers bloom for me super, super soon. Gosh, I mean, already these are just phenomenal. All right, let's see what we have in here. Can't wait to show you more plants. It's like Christmas. I love this. Oh, wow, look at this cute little guy. Wow. This is really nice. Let's see, this one is Cattleya mossii, SVO Superb 4N. So this Cattleya mossii is a spectacular species Cattleya, and it has absolutely phenomenal blooms. I mean, they have really gorgeous blooms. I can't wait to see this plant flower. I do know that those are, I'm pretty sure mossii tends to be a little bit larger of a plant, but with larger plants comes larger flowers, and that can totally be worth it sometimes. Okay, so now we have what feels like two more flowers here. These are the last two for my unboxing video here of the 2025 Sunset Valley Orchids hybrids. Again, if you love these plants, you like the quality of the plants, I don't know why you wouldn't, because these plants are spotless and absolutely perfect. You can pick up these plants right now from Sunset Valley Orchids. And again, I want to take a minute to just thank the folks at SVO for entrusting me and Orchids by Bryan and the team for being able to share these orchid plants with you all. Debut their 2025 hybrids from Sunset Valley Orchids. Go onto their website and support this amazing nursery. They have amazing plants. If you're curious what the nursery looks like, check out my nursery tour video, which I'll include in the description as well. And you can see what this place looks like. Like, it is the Disney World of orchid nurseries, I swear. All right, so we have two here. I'm gonna start with this guy right here. Let me take this one out so I can clean off the table. There we go, move that over. All right, put that there for now. Check out this plant here. Wow, lots of new growths on this one. Check it out. This is Potinara Paradise Rose, My Valentine by Potinara Memorial Alida Laboy, SVO top pick. So very excited to see what this flower looks like. One thing that I love about Sunset Valley Orchids is that they, and you can learn a little bit more about this in my nursery tour video, is they actually hand pick from their own selection of stock plants some of the most floriferous, flowering multiple times a year, awardable plants, and then they create these hybrids. And in return, you get spectacular flowers, sometimes cattleyas that bloom multiple times a year. I'm talking you will get flowers 2, sometimes 3 times a year. I have some orchids in my collection that bloom 3 times a year for me. That's one additional benefit, as if I haven't told you enough benefits about Sunset Valley Orchids. And then last but not least, we have this guy right here, Cattleya Orchid Glade, SVO by SLC Candy Sparks High Color. The plant is really, really pretty. Check out this guy, the last orchid that we have here from this amazing box. I'm gonna line these up right in front of me, and you can just appreciate the quality. I mean, check this out. We even have some that are in bud here, and these plants are spectacular. I honestly, I expected nothing less from Fred and the team at Sunset Valley Orchids. They have amazing Cattleya hybrids. These plants grow so well under my conditions, growing in a grow tent, and then before my grow tent, growing outside just in the home on humidity trays. So this is amazing. I just want to once again thank the folks at Sunset Valley Orchids for sharing these amazing plants with me so that I can share them with you. So with that, I want to thank you so much for watching this unboxing video of the brand new 2025 Sunset Valley Orchids new hybrids. Go on the website, purchase some plants, support Sunset Valley Orchids. You will not be disappointed. I am so excited to grow these plants big and strong and see what these flowers look like. I am just pumped. I can't wait. So with that, I'm Bryan from Orchids by Bryan. Thank you to Fred and Sunset Valley Orchids. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next unboxing video. Goodbye.